I think next door having some work done. It's fine. It's next door. They're not going to come here, are they? It's fine. Yeah. It's a bit noisy though, isn't it? Yeah. My goodness me, Eric. I think we're in for the long haul, Eric. I think it might be going on all day. Yeah. I think you'll just have to find a nice place and try to ignore it. Yeah, you're going to go in there, are you? But yeah, you can still hear it in there. It's fine. It'll only be temporary. Yeah. Should we have some food instead? Would a bit of Sheba take your mind off it? I think it might, won't it? A bit of Sheba? Yeah, it'll help, won't it? Yeah, better. Anything can happen as long as you've got a bit of Sheba, is that right?